The 2021 LaLa Libra calendar is now for sale. Check out the video show notes for the direct link. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's go play in the waterfalls. That was pretty cool. We just drove a scooter through a golf course to get to the secret trail to get to an epic waterfall. And we had to hurry, so my hair's probably all jacked up from the helmet and everything, because we don't want to get kicked out. This is a secret waterfall. Here we go. To the waterfall. You might be able to see mosquitoes literally flying all around me. But it rained this morning, so the waterfall is actually really dumping, which is nice. So we lucked out. I thought he was gonna play me some music. This around 10 a.m. and really you have to do that because it gets so hot here, and the fact that it rained last night, rained this morning, it's really cooled it down, but this water is just cold enough. It's almost like a bath, but it's still got that nice cool edge to it. So now that he's jumped in, I need to jump in too. a pretty hot 3 months here. I've spent pretty much 85% of the time outside. So to find something nice and refreshing, this is such a gem. We have just found out we are not alone. There's wildlife here. And I am gonna make like a wild animal. Hang out with them. Watch this. Ah! That was a big bite! That wasn't a nibble, man. He's already warned me that there's snakes, right? And I've already been eaten alive by mosquitoes, and then something takes more than a nibble off your toe. I'm gonna spring up every time. Really beautiful here, but security's here, so not only is my makeup all over my face, I'm wet, I'm covered in bug bites, but I think we're getting kicked out. But don't worry, I'll film the scooter ride through the golf course for you. Do we have to go?
He called and he saw us.
Oh, so the people that were golfing today saw us drive in on the scooter. They called security, so they have found us. All right, well, we better go anyways, because chances are it's gonna rain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't be on a scooter and raining during rainy season in Malaysia. Well, that was a beautiful way to spend the morning. Really, it's about lunchtime now, and there's waterfalls all around us. We got snacks. So maybe we'll go picnic somewhere else and we'll see another waterfall. Because it did rain last night and this morning, so the water is flowing. So it's a good time to go look at them. security guard even said if he could swim and jump in with us, he would. So even when you get kicked out, everybody's so awesome here. Well, that's it. Somewhere back in there is the King's Palace. I I won't be checking that out today. No invite. This is a nice puppy. Yes, I remember you. All right, back to the scene of the crime, and there's already a monkey here. I think he's gonna take our helmets. I think they're gonna take anything that they can.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
There's a little kid up here.
Good.
Your voice is like going, you were all excited. Oh,
Told
you were
you.
talking to the monkey and kid
No,
voice.
no, I was talking to the camera. Oh, good sound.
Good
God,
sound.
I'd like to put stuff up on YouTube,
Yeah?
so I'm always talking to my camera.
Okay.
But last time I was here, I didn't get to go see the fall
Uh-huh.
because the monkey stole my camera.
Oh, this is?
Seriously. And then I had to throw food at him to get it back.
How many times already you came here?
This is my second time because I'm hoping that,
I see you're one of the good people that help clean up the...
well, we tried to. They're messing that up for us, aren't they? Making another mess.
Yeah, actually they will.
Well, they'll
bring
take everything
around
out.
the way.
Well, hopefully they just drop it right there.
Nice.
Oh, he's drinking your beer. Oh, we got a drunk monkey. Oh, you got the good thing. Oh, look at that. Monkeys are being nicer because I'm with other people. Or if I'm just a wuss. But yeah, they do just seem to be hungry, and there are no tourists here. And they were just saying there are starving monkeys literally in places, like at temples, because they're so used to relying off of humans for food.
Protection.
So, oh, look at this, protection. All right, well, I better gear up my monkey protection too. Monkeys, check. COVID, check. Let's go. Definitely really hot. So, gonna take a little pre-dip before the big dip, I guess. This waterfall is massive. It's like maybe 10 stories tall. It's absolutely massive. And all you can hear is just water running and falling all around you. Really nice and very peaceful. Might as well cool off before the trek up. Time to go. Waterfalls in one day. Not sure which one I like better. The giant one, the big fatty pool, or the other one really lit up like emerald green. And there's a lot of shade there. I think I like the first one better. But it's lunchtime, so it's time to go find a place to eat. Nothing like taking a little hike near Bikini. By the way, this is Malibu String, sponsored by them. They've given me plenty of bikinis. Just sometimes there's too small for YouTube. Pretty nice place. I'd say great place for a picnic, but that's a little risky. There's hungry monkeys here. But lots of picnic tables and places to snack or hang out. And there's great walkways, they're all cement. So I guess a lot of different people could walk here, even with flip-flops. You don't need tennis shoes for this one. Kids, not for wheelchairs. But yeah, nice little trek. At one point it goes straight up. And there's also a lot of different plaques with information, signs and stuff like that. That's probably warning, flash flood maybe. But yeah, so it's educational as well as awesome to look at, and Malaysia's really hot, so great place to take a dip. Totally worth it. I'm glad I came back for the second time. And now, let's see what the monkeys left us with. The mess to clean up. All right, here's the damage. It's not that bad. Cleaned up a couple spots today, actually, and then the monkeys shredded it. So we've done a couple cleanups today of all the stuff laying around, and now it's in the proper place in the bin. Closed, or you have to add hot water to it, so you have to go home anyways to actually prepare it and eat it. And we're hungry like right now, so we found something that we could eat like right now. So here we go. The big gray clouds are telling me it's going to rain, so we hurry home and put those clouds behind us. When it rains, it really pours, and that's something I don't want to experience on a scooter. Check it out. He gets up every morning, does a scooter and a swim. And this is his spot. We made it home. Yeah. Today was a beautiful day. Gonna come home, regroup, and jump in the pool. Look at this. Hey guys! 2 gorgeous waterfalls. Oh yeah. And now it's time just to relax in the pool. for watching another video. I am happy to announce the 2021 LaLa Libra calendar is off for printing. This calendar supports my boat fund. Please visit the YouTube show notes description to find the 2021 calendar link. Please hit that subscribe button now to follow my Langkawi adventures. Please visit patreon.com and find LaLa Libra to support my videos. All my videos are supported by my patrons.